how to connect Chatbot to Zapier. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Chatbot to Zapier. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Zapier website on your browser. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on Create and then click on Zaps. After that, in the Trigger section, search for Chatbot and tap on it. Then just choose an action event and add your account over here. Similarly, in the Action section, select Gmail. Then just choose an action event and add your account over here and click on Continue. Then just fill in these information and tap on Continue. At last, select your relevant choice and move on with that. So that's basically how you can connect Chatbot to Zapier. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.